29th of June, suspected billionaire kidnapper Evans had filed a fundamental rights enforcement suit to challenge his continued detention since June 10 without arraignment. He claims that his parade on June 11 before journalists at the Lagos Police Command headquarters in Ikeja without a court order is unconstitutional and illegal. The suspected kidnapper asked the court to award him 300 million naira as exemplary damages for his alleged illegal detention and the alleged harm caused by his media trial. Evans also asked the court to order the police authorities to immediately arraign him before a law court or release him from custody. The suit was originally assigned to Aziz Anka, but could not be heard initially because Mr. Olukoya Ogungbeje, who filed it on behalf of Evans, was absent in court. Following complaints by the police council, the court awarded a punitive cost of 20,000 naira against Mr. Ogungbeje for failing to inform the council of his absence. The court subsequently went on vacation, and the suit suffered some adjournments before the first vacation judge, Justice Chuka Obiozo. Justice Obiozo then handed over to Justice Anka as vacation judge, and the case has come up again before the judge. At the resumed hearing, counsel to Evans informed the court that the case was ripe for hearing and he was ready to proceed. But counsel to the Lagos State Police Commissioner and the Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SARS), Mr. Emmanuel Eze, opposed the move. He told the judge that the condition precedent for the matter to be heard during vacation was for the leave of court to first be obtained. He said this had not been done. The lawyer also stressed that the applicant had not personally served the court processes on the Inspector General of Police and the Commissioner of Police Lagos Command, who are distinct legal personalities. He therefore urged the court not to hear the suit and to instead award a punitive cost of 300,000 naira against Mr. Ogungbeje. Counsel to Evans has, however, countered by insisting that the law, under Order 5 Rule 2 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules of 2009, allows him to serve the court processes on the agents of the respondent, and that having served the legal section of the Nigerian Police Force Annex in Alagbo and Panti areas of Lagos, and same having been received, all the respondents had been duly served. He urged the judge to note that the proof of service which was in the court's record had not been contradicted. After listening to submissions of both parties, Justice Anka has adjourned till Wednesday to rule on whether to proceed with the fundamental rights application. Shola Sheyeli, Channels Television News.